Every day. Hey, good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin with today's announcements. Our announcements are brought to you through the generosity of our sponsors. The number 23, our science teachers, who remind you to think like a proton and stay positive, and by the word beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful thing being alive, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about beauty with today's announcements. Being beautiful is actually a character trait. I don't mean about the physical trait. I want you to think for a moment how other people might see you when they see you. And I don't mean the clothes you wear or your haircut, the shoes you wear, etc. I mean what they see on the inside. When somebody thinks of you, what is the first character trait that you want to come to their mind? What kind of principles do you want them to think of if you're a person of character? So to reinforce that, I'm going to quote Dolores Huerta. Dolores Huerta was a activist, worked for labor rights, and she said this about what she wants people to see when they see her. I would like to be viewed as a woman who cares for her fellow human beings. We must use our lives to make the world a better place, not just acquire things. So, what Dolores Huerta is saying is, when people look at her, she is not focused on what they see as far as her physical appearance. She wants people to see her as someone who adds value, someone who takes care of others, someone whose principles guide the decisions she makes. So ask yourself, Wildcats, do your principles guide your decisions? And today, remember this: you can add value as a truly beautiful human being by just being kind, by being caring, by being honest. We care about you, Wildcats. We care enough about you to say, hey, exercise, eat healthy, stick with a healthy, productive routine. Call your loved ones. Reach out to your grandparents, aunts, uncles. Check on your neighbors. Send a note of gratitude to somebody you care about, maybe one of your heroes, maybe one of those science teachers that I just showed you a picture of, or any of your other teachers, your faith leaders, your mentors, counselors, and then always do what's best for your family. Wildcats, have a great day. I'll check in with you on Friday morning.